Hi besties! Today's video is about Trello and our new artwork wish list and request board. You can vote on what I'm going to be using for the monthly as well as submit requests. So I'm going to teach you guys how to vote and use this board properly. Now, as you know, I love Trello. I have a template for the year set up. If you have not seen those, you really should check that out. I will definitely link that video as well, because you can plan what kit you're using with Trello and use it for work. I mean, there are endless possibilities. Trello is a really great organizational tool. I cannot say enough good things about it. So let's get started on this specific board. I am going to link below an invitation to join this board. This allows you to add things. So we're going to click on Join Board. Okay, so now we are a member of this board. We can vote by clicking on the picture that you want to vote for. Always remember to scroll all the way through to the bottom to be able to view. So say that this is the monthly that you are looking at. I did include a link, so it will take you to the artwork and you can view the digital paper and the fashion girls that come with it before you vote. And then to vote, you just click here in Actions and click on Vote, and that's going to put a vote up. Okay, so in order to add your requests, we're going to go through that. So right here you'll see Add Card. What you can do is click on that card. Then you're going to need an image or a link or something to add to this in order to suggest it. So let's go to somebody's shop. Let's choose Coffee Doodle because she has a lot of new ones out right now. And we'll use her as our so let me put these two here side by side so you guys can see both of them at one time. Okay, so we have this over here, and then we have the artwork. So say you really liked this artwork. We're going to click into it. Okay, and then we're going to go to Add a Card. Now, as long as you can right click and copy image, you can go here, right click and paste it. So here is the image. You're going to go ahead and click into that and then change it. So I'm going to call it Coffee Doodles / and this is called Traditional Okay, so there is my art request, and then I want to upvote that. You can vote on any requests that have been made, and this is how I know what you guys want. And I thought this was a great way for you guys to get in requests, especially for our besties that might not have Facebook group. So on websites like this one specifically where you can, so you got your here, you got your image, you can right click, well, we can, but you see you can't right click and save it because she has that disabled, and that's okay. Depending on what website you're on, you can, or I wouldn't say website, I would say depending on what you're using computer-wise, there's a couple ways you can take a screenshot. And Windows comes with a snipping tool. You just type in the search bar, snipping, if I can spell it right, snipping tool, and it will come up. Then you just click on new, and it's going to allow you to just draw a little box here, and then you can go to click a card, right click, and paste. And then it should go ahead and put that in there. As you can see, this one actually put it in the wrong space, so we can delete that. It's okay if that happens. Click on this card. We can go ahead, maybe type in the bell, hit enter, and then click into it and go ahead and paste that. There you go. If it's a shop and you're not sure, I might have heard of it before, you can go ahead and copy the link as well, just so it's easy for me to find. So copy that link, go ahead and paste that right there. Then make sure to upvote your suggestion. Alright guys, I can't wait to see what you do with this. If you are really stuck and you cannot figure out how to use the requests, oh, I just realized these are not summer. We can put that in other. So that's how you move cards. So this definitely summer. So there are the ways to request. If you are stuck and you just can't figure out how to add a request, please just send me a message or comment in the group and with the link of what you wanted to add to the request, and I will get it on here for you. If you have questions, please comment below and thumbs up the video. I hope that you guys like this new feature. I think it will be fun because anyone can vote. It's public. So the ones with the most votes are the ones that I am going to make sure that I get done for you guys. Bye for now.